All right, so this is the last episode for this build series. We had to finish it off with some Velgen VF5 wheels and Nitto tires. Now that everything is complete, let's go take it for a drive. It has been a long week of building this car and kind of turning it into the ultimate street machine. I mean, I'm impressed with how quiet it is in the cabin, even with the AWE exhaust that was put on before I got to touch this car. It sounds really nice, has a nice kind of pop when you're slowing down. And the suspension isn't noisy, the wheels, the tires, it's still really nice and quiet in here. It's really smooth, but even if I want to take it up a notch and start hitting some turns, it still has that aggressive driving style that I like. I think the first thing you'll notice about the front end of this car though are the diodynamic fog lights. They didn't come on the S650, and I think it really changes how the front end of this car looks. And in my opinion, it makes it look kind of more angry and aggressive, and I love that look on a Mustang. I think the black wheels really tie in the Anderson Composites hood vent on this thing. That is a carbon fiber hood vent, and it looks so much more aggressive too. I mean, we've really made this car look so mean, and I love it. Even though it's vapor blue, it still looks just angry. I really like how the RTR bolt-on kit looks and how easy it was to install and how much it changed the look of this car. I am thoroughly impressed. Even though you can't see it from the outside, we also did a little bit of engine bay dress up with the anchor room coolant tank cover, and it looks really nice paired with those K&N dual air intakes. Overall, I'm really impressed with how different this thing looks. Even though we just changed a few minor things, it really made all the difference. And it's something you could probably do in a week if you had the time and maybe an extra pair of hands or two. I think it came out great. I think it went great. I'm super excited to be able to actually rip this thing once I drop the videographer off. If you do love any of the parts, they're all available on cjponyparts.com. Shameless plug. I hope you liked watching the build progression of the car, and I hope to see you guys around again, but for now, I'm gonna go take this thing out for a rip.